Thank you for subscribing to Rajshri Food, but do click on the bell icon to get the notifications. Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food, and I'm your host Ruchi Bharani. Diwali is a festival of lights, firecrackers and food. And on this joyous occasion, we spread happiness by means of food. On this note, let's make Kala Jamun and share happiness with our friends, family and loved ones. Let's start with making the sugar syrup first, for which I have 3 cups of sugar. Into this, let's add 3 cups of water. Keep stirring this till the sugar dissolves and the syrup comes to a boil. The sugar has dissolved and the syrup has come to a boil, and now let's reduce the flame to medium. Let the syrup boil for at least 5 to 7 minutes till we get a sticky syrup. While the syrup is boiling, let's quickly make the stuffing for the Kala Jamun. I have 50 grams of grated Mawa here. Let's knead it lightly to make it a little smooth. Into this, let's add around 1 tablespoon of Milk Masala powder, half a teaspoon of Cardamom powder, 3 to 4 teaspoons of sugar. This is powdered sugar. Mix all these ingredients properly. If you wish to add any kind of color, you can do so. You can even add some saffron milk into this to give it a light yellow color. Now, let's make very small balls of this filling and keep it aside. Seven minutes are up, and now let's check on the sugar syrup. Let's start with making the outer covering now, for which I've taken 100 grams of grated Mawa or Khoya. Let's knead this to make it smooth. The Mawa is nice and smooth, and now let's keep it aside. Same way, in the thali, I'm going to take 200 grams of grated Paneer, that is double quantity of the Mawa. Let's knead this as well. Apply a little bit of pressure. Let's add all the other ingredients. Khoya, 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar, 3 teaspoons of corn flour or cornstarch, 3 teaspoons of Maida or plain flour, 1 teaspoon of Semolina or rava, and 1 teaspoon of ghee. And now let's knead all these ingredients properly. A nice smooth dough is ready, and now let's take a portion of this. The ball has to be absolutely smooth. No cracks should be there. Into this ball, I'm going to stuff the Mawa stuffing. A nice smooth ball of the Kala Jam with the stuffing is ready. Let's keep it aside. In this way, let's make all the Kala Jams. These are nicely rolled, and now they are ready to fry. We need to deep fry these Kala Jams, for which you have to take enough quantity of ghee. If ghee is not available or you don't want to use ghee, you can always use some refined oil. I've kept some ghee to heat on very low flame. Make sure you fry these Kala Jams on medium or low heat. Keep splashing oil over it and rotating them. Be very gentle with them. These have got a beautiful dark color. If you want a dark black color, fry them for a couple more minutes. I prefer them dark brown, so I'm going to remove them at this stage. Just swirl them around and make sure they are covered with the sugar syrup. Let's fry the next batch. All the Kala Jams have been dipped in the sugar syrup, and now I'm just going to put this sugar syrup back on the flame and let them boil for just a minute. Once the sugar syrup comes to a boil, turn off the flame. Let the Kala Jam soak at least for 24 hours, but if you're in a hurry, a minimum of 6 to 8 hours is necessary. And when you have a chance, just keep swirling them around periodically. Sweeten your Diwali by making Kala Jamuns this year. Wishing all of you a very happy Diwali, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment below. See you next time. Bye-bye.